The video demonstrates how a manager works with the automatic checks in Bibledit Cloud. There is another video for translators. For this function, the manager needs to be logged into the specific Bibledit Cloud. Please be aware that these checks are only meant as an aid in proofreading. Proofreading will still be very important. Because of the complexity of the translation work, the checks can never be a foolproof system to filter out all the errors. We click on Settings in the menu, and then on Checks. Here, the manager can select which checks Bibledit should run on all the Bibledit clients of the translation team. There is a check on double spaces in the USFM code. There is a check for punctuation at the end of headings. There is a check for a space before a comma, and so on. There's a check on sentence structure. The settings for the sentence structure are at the bottom of the page. There is a check that a paragraph starts with a capital, and so on. There's a check on the correct number of books, chapters, and verses in the Bible. There is a check on well-formed USFM code. There's a check on missing punctuation at the end of a verse. And a check on patterns in the checks, see later. Bibledit Cloud normally runs the checks every night. A manager can also run the check on request. The journal shows the progress. Coming back to the check on patterns in the text. Bibledit will look for certain patterns in the plain text of the Bible. If such a pattern has been found, it will report on that. Click Settings next to Patterns in the text. For example, enter the misspelled word "walk-it" with a T instead of a D. Click on the Save button right under the box. During the check, when the plain text of the Bible contains the misspelled word "walk-it" with a T at the end, there will be a report on that. Click on Go Back at the bottom to go to the manager's page. Click on Settings for the sentence structure right under the list of possible checks. A sentence usually starts with a capital, has some punctuation in the middle, and ends with some punctuation. Click on the settings to enter details there. This is how a manager can work with the automatic checks in Bibledit Cloud. Thank you for watching.